They're kind of like in their, they have a hammock right behind me, and that must be a trip with those birds and their calls because they're like one with the tree. Hi. Yeah, they're kind of gray. Something happened down that way. The bird said, "Meow." Big swan. Their necks are so long, it's crazy. Two of them. They're aggressive. They don't play, do you? What are they cheering, I wonder, down there? It's like Jazz Fest. See, I was saying a minute ago, they all sleep in these trees because they do. You don't remember? Like, oh, you're from right here, you must know. You come down here at night, they're all in these trees. They sleep up in there like those. Woo! All of those just went in there just now. No, that's a cool place to have a hammock. Like when I just walked underneath it, the other birds that are like in there that you can't see are making all sorts of crazy noises. It'd be a fun place to rest for the day. Big old trees. The pelicans are like down there. Those guys always loud. They're all loud. I like when they fly. They look cool. Egrets. Something flew after the egrets. This guy's been doing the dry thing for like a while. Oh, now you're doing the fly thing. The dry to fly. Dry to fly. He's like, you're bothering me. You moved fast. Hi, you. Hi, you. You look kind of young. You look kind of youthful. Is that true? Cedar knobs. Oh, you're pretty. I keep missing when they do fly across the lake. So that's what, there's a Muscovy with a red eyeball. Look at you, they are kind of pinkish. See, I don't even know which one that is. That's like a, there, yeah I do. That's like a little duck in there making that noise. Him, the black with the red. They make a ton of noise. Look at him. Makes you think of like when you're at the fair and you do the duck thing. There, he just splashed. Look at all that splash he got. Quite a lot. It's popping with bird life. They're funny out there. Ha ha ha. That's the Muscovy. I know that sound for sure. They can't fly very good. Funny. Oh, he had food in his mouth. That was cool. This guy might too. All of them. He had something in his mouth for certain. It's an interesting tree. All the doggies are out here playing. Oh, there's the wood stork. He's a big one. Swans splashing in. They're all kind of timid. They sleep in the trees too. There's a Canadian geese to my right. Hey. I see you guys, okay? I see you. Well, hang on. Well, are you sure? Is that easier? Okay. Mr. Woodstock, he's crazy. There's not usually, is that one? In the water? It is. You don't see them like messing in the water too